So I finally received my package from Superrradical. I ordered this when Tyler put up the Hellboy hoodies, and I tried to get one of those. Everybody knows that shit show. So instead, I just got to go to Hell Hoodie. Let me just open this up real quick. So, comes with my receipt. Alright, so off the bat, I fuck with the color. Definitely fuck with the color. Oh yeah, this is heavy. Alright. So, the front, Superrradical. Oh, this thing's actually pretty fucking sick. I'm not gonna lie. It's a lot bigger of an emblem than I thought it was gonna be. Seems like it's pretty good quality. I mean, let me take that back. And here we go. I got a large and throw it on. Let's see. Waited long enough, might as well put it on as soon as I get it, right? Ordered this 2 weeks ago, by the way. Alright, yeah, this thing's fucking comfortable. Yeah, this shit's sick. Shit's sick.